Hello, dear tech enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI-generated video content and explore the potential tools like ChatGPT and RunwayML offer for transforming your content creation methods. So, let's begin. As an AI, ChatGPT is incredibly user-friendly. It simplifies the entire process of generating AI-powered videos. To begin, simply input your query, select a desired template, and add your required text or prompt. After which, simply hit the generate button, and you'll have an AI-generated video in no time. Another excellent tool to consider is RunwayML, with its functional interface designed to facilitate text-based prompt creation for AI-driven video production. This tool enables you to craft professional-looking images or bring your creative ideas to life seamlessly. So, what exactly are the benefits of AI-generated videos, you ask? They provide an enhanced branding experience by seamlessly integrating animated logos into your videos, which can significantly impact viewers' perception of your brand. They also save considerable time by effortlessly creating captivating title slides for your videos, which will surely grab viewers' attention. Furthermore, AI-generated videos cater to a diverse range of styles, ensuring that they can fit any content type and present a consistent brand image. To sum up, AI-generated videos greatly improve your content creation process by accelerating your workflow and generating more engaging and professional content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tech insights and inspiration. Thank you for tuning in. If this video was helpful and you found it intriguing, do share and forge ahead. Until we meet again, I'm